It's April 1st and I've come out on a walk and I've started my walk pretty late. I just walked about 200 meters and I started at 9:05 p.m. which means all the dogs are back home from their walk, getting to meet any of them, which is a bummer. But anyway, I'm walking and today I'm gonna try and complete the 5k. Yesterday I stopped at 3.8, so let's see if I can do better today. I walked for about a kilometer and some meters. I feel today the kilometers just ain't passing by for some reason. I haven't even touched 2 kilometers, and while getting ready, I hurt my toe pinky, like left toe pinky, so bad. It sucks. Still haven't touched 2 kilometers, I guess. There's like an elderly gentleman, probably in his 70s, who walks like 10x faster than I do, which I don't know if it's supposed to motivate me or demotivate me. I have no idea. Dang, I really just want to lie down on the grass, take a break, but I'm scared there might be worms or snakes or whatever. Yeah, there's a lake right on the other side, but it's too dark, so I can't really show it to you guys. That's the lake. Pond is there, better word, and garbage disposal cans. I just got back. As I was on my last lap, I realized like what the actual problem is and why it's so hard right now for me to do my 5Ks. It's because when I had started, the weather was like still cooler compared to now. Now it's terrible, like it's peak summers. And Calcutta usually has the hottest weather around like April, May and June. Like June is when it starts to rain, super hot in the afternoons, and that is when you lose like most of your energy. Although it's like pleasant outside now, there's a lot of wind, but your body really dehydrates in the afternoons. Today also I did 4 point something, I guess, and I was watching 83, like the biopic of Kapil Dev, before I left for my walk, and I'm gonna continue watching it. I am a huge cricket fanatic, so I am loving it. And when I'm seeing Ranveer Singh, it's hard to say that it's Ranveer Singh and not Kapil Dev. Like, he picked up the characters so well. So if you guys have watched 83, let me know how you all liked it. And the movie has not been made into a very cinematic flow. It has been made into a very factual piece, which also I like. And yeah, it's crazy that there's Viv Richards and Neena Gupta in the movie, like in different characters. Of course, Neena Gupta is, I think, Kapil Dev's mother or someone, and Viv Richards, the character, is there. So it's kind of funny, but I'm loving the movie, so I'm gonna continue watching that now. Laser sitting done. I have wanted to go for this for a very long time because I have a lot of facial hair, and also like this particular mark has been like bothering me, so I want to like talk and figure out what could be a possible treatment for that. And I'm going to Kata in Salt Lake, so they're running a lot of discount offers, so I'm gonna head to the clinic and figure out what to do and how to go about it. Yeah, I'm a bit excited, and also they have, I think I'm gonna get, like, there is another treatment like they're offering for free, or there's a nominal charge for that. We'll see that. I have like the grilled chicken salad. They have like beans and lentils. So I see like chana, chole, kishmish, lobia. I think this is couscous with lentils and stuff, and a bit of like salad. They have like two sauces. A bit late for my appointment. It's about 2:05, but yeah. So I'm back home now, and I just went for an initial consultation today. And the problem is my hair growth is not like it's not full, like it's not complete. So I have to wait for another week or two. And in the meanwhile, I cannot shave or wax or anything. And then I have to go. The doctor also suggested like PRP and chemical peel and everything. That I might not do right now, but I'm gonna put a pin on that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go forward with the laser.